Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the elbow rest pad on our 2011 Nissan Xterra. You can see right here I have the old one. It's removed from the vehicle, and the reason for doing this is because the foam, at least in this particular one, wore out after about 30,000 miles of driving. So the foam, you can see I took the elbow rest apart, is a bit compressed here, just in its natural state, and whenever you rest your elbow on there and compress it, it compresses down to nothing instantly, and you're basically resting your elbow on just a hard surface, which is not very comfortable when you're driving. So the good news is you can either take your old one and disassemble it like this and replace the foam pretty easily, or you can buy a brand new one like this one that I have right here, and they're very, very inexpensive. I think this was around 15 or 20 bucks. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and clean around this thing and kind of walk you through the process of how I installed it, and then I'm going to go ahead and snap this new one in place. Okay, so I have this area all cleaned up and ready for reinstallation of this new pad, but before I do that I kind of want to walk you around how I removed it, just so you have a general idea of how to do it on your vehicle. So you can see on the bottom of this, if it were snapped into place here, there are 5 tabs. One right here in the back, one here where the door handle is, and then 3 on the outside. And those 3 are going to be the ones that you're targeting first. So what I did was I started back here at the back and stuck a plastic pry tool, something like this, in and got that popped up. And I worked my way around, popped these 2, and left a plastic pry tool stuck in here. And then from there, what I did was take another plastic pry tool and was able to slip it in the back here, pop that tab in the back up, and I was able to just walk the armrest out and was able to remove it at that point. And in order to reinstall it, we should just be able to line it up into place and snap it down. And there we go. New armrest is installed and ready to go. Hopefully it lasts at least another 30,000 miles. I'm probably going to look into fixing the foam on my old one, just so I have a backup in place. But if I can't do that, then I'll just keep one of these on hand, because chances are it's probably going to wear out again in 30,000 miles, because from what I can tell, they didn't change any of the materials. So, really quick video this week, kind of a weird one, but hopefully this helps somebody out there. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.